Porsche is known for its sports vehicles, and even the Panamera, which is more refined, outperforms several rival manufacturers. The Panamera is built on the VW Group's MSB front-engined car chassis, which Porsche was in charge of creating. This, according to the German company, gives it considerable versatility, since it allows it to construct two distinct wheelbases, regular and long, as well as additional body variations. As a result, a Panamera Sports Turismo estate is now available. The Porsche 4 SE Hybrid and Turbo SE Hybrid were also debuted. The former combines a 134 brake horsepower electric motor with a 435 brake horsepower 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 petrol engine to provide 552 brake horsepower and 750 Newton-meters of total output. The more powerful Turbo SE Hybrid produces 690 brake horsepower by combining a 4.0-liter V8 engine with the same electric motor. The new e-hybrid models have a larger battery, up from 14.1 kilowatt-hours to 17.9 kilowatt-hours than previous Panamera hybrids, enabling for up to 31 miles of pure electric driving. The Panamera's steering offers just the proper amount of weight and feel, and its grip and traction would put some sports cars to shame. In addition, despite its 2-ton weight, the Panamera boasts great poise and balance. When you switch from Sport Plus to Comfort mode, the Porsche transforms into a luxury limousine. You won't be disappointed with any Panamera model in terms of raw performance. The standard 326 brake horsepower Panamera and Panamera 4 can hit 62 miles per hour in 5.6S and 5.3S, respectively, but the 434 brake horsepower 4S model can do it in just 4.3S. The 4E Hybrid completes the sprint in 4.4 seconds, the 4SE Hybrid in 3.7 seconds, and the GTS in 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 186 miles per hour. For this second-generation car, Porsche's designers cleaned up the high transmission tunnel and found a method to reduce the number of buttons by incorporating a smooth glass display with touch-sensitive controls. The computerized concept extends to the instruments as well. Although the automobile retains Porsche's signature central analog rev counter, there is a 7-inch screen on either side. The speedometer, as well as several configurable settings, like as traffic sign recognition, speed limit indication, and cruise control information, are located on the left-hand side. The panel to the right of the rev counter displays onboard computer information such as the fuel gauge, range, and economy, as well as the ability to view the satellite navigation map. A 12.3-inch touchscreen sits above the center console, displaying the next generation of Porsche communication management. Everything is controlled from this screen, including the ability to open and close the central air vents by moving your finger up and down the screen. Apple CarPlay is integrated, and Porsche's Connect Plus system includes features like Google Earth, Street View, in-car internet, and fuel price information.